Gold traded bullish yesterday, and earlier in the day today we have seen gold achieving 2026 levels. Now what to expect from gold today? Can we expect it to rise past 2030-32, and can we expect it to move towards 2040, or there is still probability for it to move downwards, create higher lows here? What is going to be our strategy? Profit trading gold today. We will see with the help of charts and indicators. First update for the day. Next update will be released before the US session. What that is. Towards the end of this update, I'll give you the trading levels and strategy. So watch till the end. And yes, if you're not subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel. Do like, share, and comment as well, friends. Your every like, comment, and share is a great motivation for me. And yes, join the channel memberships and support the effort and get the additional benefits. Let's start. Press the join button here. And now let's start with the analysis. Look at the hourly charts for gold. You can find out. See, 2030-32 is a greater resistance. After that, what has happened? A drop, retracement, and retracement. It has created lower highs here, lower highs and lower lows. It is still trading in the bearish. Also, it has shown a reversal sign on the hourly charts, and it is trying to retrace. Probability for it to move towards 2018-2020 edges is strong, and then 2015-2014 is going to remain stronger. Now for the day, as long as gold stays above 2014, there is the possibility for a strong reversal. Be watchful of. Also, look at this. See, it is trying to trade in this retracement channel where the bottom almost at the same for 2014-2015 levels. Now see, stock IST, it was overbought. It is looking down now, and MACD has retraced. It is trying to converge, crossover, but it has not yet crossed over. So as long as it stays in the bullish zone, possibility of a rise will exist. RSI looking downwards. Coming to 2 hour. Likewise on the 2 hour charts, the drop here, the retracement, and it is still in the retracement zone. Now only and only if gold trades below 2014 levels, we can consider that as a reversal, and then it will continue to trade on the downside, creating lower lows. Possibility of lower lows still exists. And as and how it breaks the next support levels at 2008, then more bearishness is going to prevail there. Be watchful of this. Yes, it is showing a reversal sign here on the 2 hour charts, and that is why we can see second successive red candle. But remember, very strong support at 2018-2014 levels. Stock IST looking down, it was overbought. MACD is in green, it is trying to converge a bit, it has not yet crossed over. RSI looking down as well. Coming to 3 hour charts. On the 3 hour charts, see retracement. See, first of all, look at the slope here. This is the slope, and this is the retracement slope. The drop is sharper and the rise is bit gradual. This suggests it is still in the retracement. Only and only if it breaks past 2032 zone, we can consider that for a reversal, and then it is going to fly high towards 2040 plus levels. Now see, on the 3 hour charts, reversal sign after bullish candles, and this is the first red candle. Possibility of a second red candle exists where we may see prices moving towards 2014 levels. There is a possibility to it. Stock IST overbought, trying to cool down a bit. MACD. Now, interestingly, MACD has crossed over and the candles have flattened here. Yet, it is still not to be treated bearish because see, it is trading in green. Thus, it is sign of bullishness. However, I will wait because see, couple of red candles, it will try to converge but not crossover and then start to look upwards. RSI looking down, coming to 4. Likewise on the 4 hour chart, similar observation here. It is trying to retrace. Possibility for it to move towards 2014-2016 zone exists, and yes, it can achieving those levels. Again, gold might reverse. That is one possibility you should always look at. Stock IST is overbought, trying to cool down a bit. MACD has just crossed over. It is just 2 candles away, and this crossover has come at a lower level, so possibility for it to continue on the upside exists strong. See, this was the bottom. Since then, retracement, lower lows are done. Possibility for it to retrace exists. RSI looking down. Coming to the, before we look into the daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my 28th mentorship batch commencing on 28th of January also. Yes, you can register for it now. Equip yourself with the right tools and strategies which can help you identify profitable trends and profitable trades easily. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can visit my platform forexfunda.com for more details on same. And yes, if you just want to trade as per the signals, you can join my signals channel on Telegram. Reach out to me. And yes, on the platform Forex Funda, you will find one more option, that is to book a call with me, and yes, to join a webinar series where every Sunday we discuss the nitty-gritties of the market. Do register for the webinar series. And yes, this comes with 2 free calls with me, one-to-one calls where you can consult and get guidance. Do visit the platform forexfunda.com. Do join the free Telegram channel for live updates. Let's start now on the daily charts. See, on the daily charts, one important note here is what has happened yesterday. We have seen lower highs, higher lows, and gold try to consolidate its position. Now, what is happening? It has achieved a high and trying to retrace. So, first position is that yes, it can try to move towards 2014-2016 zone. That is the first expectation. And as long as it stays about 2014-2016 zone, we should not be treating gold as bearish. Yes, it can bounce back. That is the first expectation. Second expectation, that it is still to be treated in the consolidation zone where we can look forward for it to move towards 2010-2008 zone. Now, this is only applicable as long as it stays above 2026 levels, because what will happen, the longer the tail it will create on the downside, and if it reverses, it is going to be a stronger reversal. Why? If you look at the daily charts, look at the formation here, first, second, third, and this is the third wave. It has not yet breached this. Possibility for reversal exists. Where are the highs? It is about 2100 levels. Right now it is not showing much of the signs here for complete reversal, but today's candle is going to decide the future of it. Because see, if you look at the symmetry as well, you will find that it is trading in this flag formation, and now we have to wait for it to break past 2060. The day gold trades about 2060, we will treat this as a breakout of this flag formation, and then we are looking forward to 2100 levels. So yes, it can continue on the path of a reversal here, and thus about 2026 and then 2030-32 levels. Yes, you can consider that for a bullish move towards 2040 levels, which is the next resistance. So in sum, we can buy here gold at 2026 levels. Possibility of a rise towards 30-32 exists, and after that we can see it moving towards 36-38 zone. In fact, 40 levels can be achieved, beyond which sky is the limit. Gold may fly high. That is the first expectation. Second, on the downside, the possibility for it to retrace towards 2014 exists. You can sell at 2018, but with the caution note that 2016, 2014, very, very good support. Rather, I will say, as long as 2008 levels are not taken today, do not trade gold as bearish. As long as 2008 is respected, possibility of a reversal will exist strong. But in 2014 levels, once it breaks, the bearishness will actually start increasing, though the possibility will remain, but the bearishness will increase. And if it breaks below 2008, more drop can be seen towards 2000 levels here. Chances for which, as per me, exist less. Thus, we have to trade with caution, trade with a stop loss and a trailing stop loss. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch webinar series Signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your queries. Do watch the next update before the US session. Thank you very much.